Hello ladies and happy October. My name is Olivia and in today's video I will be revealing and reviewing the October Rapunzel Scarf of the Month. Now the Scarf of the Month is a benefit of the Wrap Royal and Wrap Legends levels of the Wrapunzel membership. You can find information for the membership on the Wrapunzel site under specialty items. I really try each month to have enough patience to wait until I start to film the video to open the package, and I have not been able to do that yet. So I have already opened up the package and I am beyond pleased with what I've seen. Now I'm going to start out with the accessory because in this package I got a scarf and an accessory. Now this is a pin. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pin. You can see in the package. I'm just opening it up. I have not wrapped with this, but I did look at it. So here is the brooch. It's rather lovely. A beautiful, beautiful turquoisey blue in there and the gold setting. Okay. Now this one has one of those really great easy peasy clasps in the back. Some of the pins in my collection have that really strange rolling piece in the back. It's really awkward to use, but this one is easy peasy to open and easy peasy to get back in there. So that should make for some really quick wrap and really easy accessorizing. Now the scarf is this beauty. Oh, I love the leaves. It's very, throw that on the floor. Mr. Micah might like to play with that. It's very light and very gauzy. And it has this great texture, this ribbed texture. I didn't see this before, but there's a bit of glitter in there. It's a gold glitter. Move my cup out of the way. I'm going to open it up. It's very, very light. And this pattern, it's like leaves and branches. It's so appropriate for the season. It's quite lovely. Before I get to wrapping with this beauty, the scarf itself is a rectangle. It's quite long, like this, and it is nice and wide. It's not overly wide, but it gives it a nice width. Now the ends have these fringes, just little teeny tiny fringes. That's quite lovely. The color pattern, as you can see, the color theme is very, very gray, taupe, black, but not overly harsh. And the speckles inside are silver. They appear silver in the light that I'm working with. But I think it may change depending on which light which light hits it. So there you go. Okay, so what I think I'm going to do is I am going to do a couple of wraps. Sometimes I do a couple, sometimes I just do one, but I'm going to do a couple different wraps with this and see how I like it. Now I'm wearing my Wendy. I do have it placed further forward and it is fully stuffed and has extra stuffing because my hair is kind of long. Now I'm going to do the first wrap. I think I'm going to start out with is just a simple beginner's luck, but I think I'm going to do an angled beginner's luck because I like that look on my face better. Yeah, I folded it over the front just a little bit, placing it one long side, one short side. I'm not tying a knot in the back. It'll just make it easier for me to transition between styles. Put that on at an angle. And I'm going to fold in the edges. This is a nice long scarf. Nice long rectangular scarf. Okay, bringing this one back and over. Just that. Okay. one knot. Bring this up over the top. I always bring it up and tuck in up here. It's just my preference. It has a nice long tail here. Wow, that's so cool. All right, so here's a nice angled beginner's luck with this. I rather like that. Okay. Oh, the pin. I get to put the pin. Okay. Now I'm going to put the pin right here. Just like so. Now I could put the pin down here. And there you have it. Okay, now I'm going to change out, put the pin down, change this out, and I'm going to put it on even Steven. Just like so. I'm not, again, not tying it in the back, I'm just crisscrossing. And I'm not going to fold, I'm going to gather this up. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Just gather it up. And I'm going to bring it up. And push that through. Okay, when I get to here, this is just going to be a simple fan wrap. No floofs, just a simple fan wrap. Bring this back. And I have this piece right here. I'm just going to tuck this into it. Just like so. Okay, and then I have this one, bringing it back. Now for this front one, because it is going to be seen more, the underneath one wasn't seen, so I wasn't too fussy with it. I'm going to give it a few pleats. Now I don't tell you where it wants to pleat. I recommend not fighting it because it'll just be aggravating for you. The scarf always wins. Okay, and the same here. Just bring up, bring up, bring up, bring up. Okay, now I have this piece here, and I'm going to spin about, and I'm going to tuck in, hoping that this will stay neat in the back and not be bulgy and bumpy. Okay, so we have that. Beautiful, beautiful fan. Again, this piece, it doesn't look right. I'm just going to continue to stuff it in until it looks right. Just like so. Okay, so I have that fan. Now, the options for pins, you can put the pin here on the side. I can put the pin right here. I can put the pin here. Now I will attach it. I've just got lots of different places. Got it here. And again, this is easy peasy to work. Okay. The scarf here. We've got the pin right here. Like so. And then over on the side, you can put it here. Like this. Okay, now that's the fan wrap. Now I'm going to take this off, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to try something not like that. I think I want to try a veil style really quick, and then I'm going to move on to my final wrap. Okay. Okay. Just getting placement correct. Okay. I would typically give this a tie in the back at this point for the veil, but for ease of transition, I'm not going to. I'm going to flip this over. Pull that back. Okay. A quick knot right here. Pull that all the way through. And we've got a quick veil style, and we can place our pin right here. And this is a lovely veil style. Making sure that our shaper is not showing. Let me spin around. Okay, so I'm going to be investing in a tear that spins. That would be so much more fun. Okay, now for the last style, I'm going to be doing, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. Let's see. I'm going to open this up some more. I think I'm going to place it at an angle in this direction. I'm going to bring up some and try to create some fun pleats here. Okay, so that'll work. I can fix them in a minute. I'm going to tie this, since this will be my final look. This is fun. Oh my goodness. I do like the scarf. I like the colors. Okay. And the shine, the little shimmer. It's so cool. Now for this side, I'm just gonna really quick do some pleats. A little odd to pleat this kind of fabric, but I'm gonna see if I can. Some messy pleats. Okay, so when I get it to here, I'm just going to give it a couple of spins, bring it around the back, keeping it nice and neat. Just going to tuck away. And then I can adjust these guys. Right, like so. Some nice messy pleats. Okay, and we have a cute tail. Or I could give this a twist and pull it up and tuck it away. I think I might do that. Mr. Micah likes dangly things too much. Okay, and then the placement of the pin, I think, should be right about here. I think that would be pretty. Could even take that out. Move the twist back behind. And have the pin be right here. I like that. Okay, ladies, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.